Dana, of course, is the Colorado area sales director.
Director of sales.
Thank you. Yeah, and I rehearsed that 5 times, and I still butchered it. Okay, so I'm walking by here, and I'm like, why is there a library? And now we're finding out. Check this out. Show us some of the features here.
So look at this. The unconventional. You never knew a refrigerator would be right here in your library. What a perfect spot to store your favorite beers, your craft beers. And then even from a column standpoint, a hidden refrigerator. We have columns from 18 inches, 24 inches, and 30 inches. It's all hidden. All customizable to your taste. Imagine this is your library in your house.
And of course, when I'm in my library, I like an ice cold beverage, and then I don't want to hand wash it. So all of this works out perfectly. Amazing concept. All right.
Don't forget the pizza oven.
Pizza oven. Pizza oven.
Can you imagine? You can use this as a salamander too. You know what a salamander is.
Yeah, salamander. It's like a cheese melter. And we were looking at this earlier. This used to be the pizza oven, but now it's the hearth.
The hearth. That's right. You are so right. It's called the hearth.
And the hearth because it doesn't just do pizza. It's open cooking, of course, with the catalytic converter that reduces the heat.
There you go. Oh, look at that. A nice light door, touch to open. And you can do the voice command on this one as well. So you can go with or without the handle. These are all going to be available this April, but just a sleek, modern design that Monogram's offering.
Does it get hot?
And this is an Advanium oven as well. So here we go. We got the Advanium oven once again with that touch control panel instead of the knob, and we've got that connectivity as well. So this is amazing to see Advanium kind of come into the 2019 and above. This is great. What else do we have here?
Surprise!
Oh.
Look at that integration, an auto-fill pitcher in here. So in most built-in refrigerators, you don't have chilled water.
One of my favorite features with this too is the lid. So watch this. Like if you were to move this, you move the whole light as well. It's amazing how that's integrated right into the shelf.
And that's an etched trim on there, so it's actually going to hold that spill onto the shelf.
Oh, check that out.
We talked a little bit about induction, but this is a flush installation. So for those designers out here, this is really the latest, and that's going to give you that high-end feel. From a control standpoint, these are all touch controls, so you can glide touch on these controls. It also works with a Bluetooth connect, so if you wanted the sous vide. In addition to that, you can use a timer on here. You can actually have a timer going for all 5 burners.
And flush mount's important because if you have an edge here and you're trying to move your oil across while you're cooking, and you're constantly and hitting that edge, and then dirt gets kind of caught in there. It's not that seamless integration. This is beautiful, and we haven't seen this before. So this is the design feature. I walked right by it a few times, so that's why we got the experts with us.
This is the most modern design Monogram has had from a kitchen aspect, where it's got the technology, it's got the modern design. We're actually going to be updating our Pro design as well, so that's upgrade. So throughout 2019 into early 2020, a fresh new look for our Monogram kitchen.
Love it, love it. Okay.